Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you quickly these ceramic and magnetic little holders. They're shaped like a spool thread. I think it's a stoneware ceramic base. The glaze where the thread would be is shiny. The rest of it is a matte finish. The magnet, I'm just positive, is down underneath this cover that has like a fuzzy felt on it. All right, so they come in a little box that's like a pyramid, and when I first opened mine, I tried to open it from this end. Let me just tell you, they're easier to open from this end. They come in 5 colors: blue, red, kind of a green, an aqua-ish green, and a lovely yellow gold, and the gray. I'm going to move that aside. I have been using this when I sew to pop my needle down in when my pin cushion isn't handy, and it holds it without letting it go. You could also use it for things that are not magnetic but are small enough. You can use it for other kinds of magnetic things. They suggest, in the photograph, they show it with paper clips in it, and I'm using these paper clips just to give you an idea of how strong the magnet is so that you can see how it works. Now, I tried to stick my scissors to it. It'd have to be a really small pair of scissors for it to hold them in place. But there are other metal things that we have. Let's see, you know what I'm going to try? Well, no, there's not enough metal in that for that to work. But there's other things that we use, other small notions. Ooh, this might be a really nice place to drop your thimble when you're working. So if you've got your needle somewhere else and you put your thimble in there, oh yeah, that would be nice. Whether it's magnetic or not, it's a good size for parking your thimble. All right, so that is what this cute little gizmo is like. I like mine. It's cute. I've been keeping it next to me as I sew, and I find myself putting things in it that I didn't think I would. So, I hope you enjoyed seeing this up close. I hope you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.